End of the day, politicians, a lot of them are family and friends, and when the door closes, they're in their villas, they're at the beach parties, they're drinking rum and Red Bull while your life hard and you suffer.
I'm happy one of the politicians themselves was able to say this because I've been saying this for so long. People, you have to realize that these politicians, they're all friends, they're all running the same social circles. Their children go to the same schools. I was literally saying this on a live yesterday. They all might even go to the same Christmas dinners, the same Christmas parties. Please, wake up, stop fight against your own, stop fight against your neighbor, stop drive a wedge between your family members. It's not worth it. We live in a democratic society, so whichever party has the better plan to you for the country, vote that side. But do not get caught up in this. Do not get caught up in the politicians' drama and the political affiliations that you were born into. Or if you weren't born into it, you feel like this party is a better party. Do not let that let you fight against your own people, your own Jamaicans, because as I was saying yesterday, if the country was to crash tomorrow, all of these politicians, I can almost guarantee you, can afford to fly out and buy their way into another country. Can you?